Hello and welcome to another DSDApp tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to send a case to the Planning Center. After you have done your initial patient documentation and taken all the required pictures, you're going to want to go to DSD Planning Center on the menu options. First, you will need to create an account. You could do so by pressing the register button. If you have already registered an account, you could log in now. So logging into your account, type in your password, press login. If you haven't submitted anything to the Planning Center yet, you will have no cases at this moment. To add a new case, simply click the blue button that says Add. The first step is choose what kind of service you would like. We have the DSD Ideal Motivational Planning, DSD 3D Functional and Motivational Planning, and the DSD Complete Interdisciplinary Planning. We also have a DSD Invisalign collaboration. So add which service you would like to get. Simply press the checkbox button. And at the bottom, press Proceed to Planning Services. This will take you to the second step. You need to select an optional design service if you would like. These are all the options we have. As you can see, there's plenty, but again, these are optional. Let's click some as an example. And at the bottom, proceed to manufacture. Here you would choose which design manufacturer you would like to use. We have the motivational manufacturer, ideal manufacturer, functional as well. We have a bunch of different options. You can pick and choose the one that best fits your needs. Let's pick these as an example. Some restoration implants. After that, review your order contents. Click the box that says, I have read and accepted DSD Planning Center. And you have two options to pay. You could either pay through card payment, credit card payment, or through a PayPal payment. Just click Confirm Order and proceed to credit card payment. And I'll simply put in all the credit card information. It'll check, and then you will receive an email confirmation saying that your order has been completed. And that is how you send a case to the Planning Center. The Planning Center will be emailing you in a very short time, first with a confirmation for your order, and next they will start emailing you and start sending you information about your order. And if it's anything is digital, they will be sending you the information within the allotted time frame. If you would like to see any more videos or tutorials, please refer back to our support portal. There you will find a multitude of videos and tutorials that would best help you get the most out of your application. Thank you and see you later.